Okay, are you ready to offend our neighbors?
Yes.
All of our neighbors.
The cows get super pissed.
Prepare to be offended, cows.
Birds, morning.
Check it out, guys. Here we are back again with the RAMINATOR and the 80cc engine. I think my wife's going to try to take a turn at the RAMINATOR today. Oh, this is a true look at how large. Look at that.
How large the truck is, that's what we're looking for.
Since the last video with the 5th scale boss here, I've gone ahead and oiled this Samba pipe. That way it's going to help prevent against any rust. Everything has been basically tightened and updated. I did switch the gearing in this giant truck to a 30-tooth Pinion and a 20-tooth SPUR gear, which means it's going to go as fast as it can. Although this is only the 2nd tank of fuel, engines like this, you normally, I see about 5-6 tanks through them to see the ultimate. Also, my truck is stretched 2 inches longer than the original stock truck. And my love, I see your shoes match the color of the truck today. And so does your dress. And so, awesome. Well, I'll get this warmed up and we're going to do a speed test for you guys today. Okay, consider this your fair warning. Earplugs in, volume buttons down, or else all the real men can just leave it where it is. This is easily the loudest RC vehicle I have ever heard.
What? Yeah.
Oh, yeah! That's monster truck fashion! That's how heavy the truck is. It bent the roll cage. That's how heavy no one understands. They're like, oh, my 19-pound Traxxas X-Max will kick that thing's ass. Well-earned road rash right there. Okay, RCMAX, you need to build a thicker, beefier roll bar for the pipe. Although it did save the pipe. Yay! Mission accomplished.
Yay!
I say we leave it.
Well, this is okay?
Yeah, just pull it off. There's a lot of power there.
Wow, it can barely focus on it.
You guys say it needed a 2-stage transmission, but it's like, watch the power band kick in. It's like halfway across the field already. I need that dual rear suspension back there just from the amount of power it's transferring to the ground.
Let's take a closer look.
It's trying to pull its tire off of the ground halfway, like across the field when it kicks in. Here we go. I run out of room.
Yeah.
So I'm still running it fairly rich because this is only the 2nd tank. That sounds so different. Oh, nice recovery. Insane.
That takes my breath away a little bit.
Yeah, I'm shaking when I run it because
I bet.
it is a lot of power. I'm used to handling this much power, but not outside of my own body. It can't even get to full throttle. Okay, I'm gonna go super far away and try to get full throttle towards us.
Good luck.
Yeah, that's a far distance. Like that's God, that's at least 150 yards. Here we go. Power band. Oh, just started floating. Oh, yeah. I did not hit it. Thank God I have those sway bars in there.
No kidding.
I'll come towards us. It's got way too much power.
Wow, that was hero-esque.
Oh, I was not even giving it throttle. It like power slides as it's accelerating because it can't get the proper traction. It's crazy.
That's an amazing engine.
Whoa!
Hold on. Whoa!
I don't have enough room. Here, I'll try to do a little jump. Like we'll get on this side, turn it around, and then I'll jump the other side here. 3, 2.
Yeah! That jump's so nice. What a great weight.
Let's try this jump over here. I'm going to try my first actual jump with the 80, not even broken in. I'm a little nervous.
I'm a little nervous for you. Awesome!
Yeah.
What broke off? Oh, we lost the flag. That's it.
RCMAX. Let's keep going. So one thing I gotta say, after that successful jump, can you see me all right? Let me move around this way. Only one thing I can say, it is not like driving an 8 scale or a 6 scale, or I guess this is a 5th scale, but like normally I can tap the brakes and the rotating mass will help me bring my nose forward. This thing is so heavy that you pretty much got to hit the ramp perfectly and let off the throttle at the right time, or else it just kind of wants to pull back. With the tall gears, I'm not really surprised to see that, but I was kind of hoping to eliminate it. But there's not much torque twist in the first half. It's almost like stage 1 of the engine, and then when it hits power band, it takes off, and I'm not even hitting the jump at power band, but I need lots more practice before I do that. Let's keep going. Oh, did you turn off the kill switch? Right here on the handle, love. Sorry, I should have mentioned that part.
That's important.
Try it now. Arr, 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 arr. Yeah, that's right. It's our first time driving the 80cc. 80 pounds of monster truck. She's hesitant. More gas! Whoa! Easy on the turns, love. Hey, I know. Are you okay? You're not responding to me.
Very intense to drive.
It's very intense to drive.
That is all encompassing. I just need a minute.
Yes, yes. I know a lot of people don't get it, do they?
Oh my God, that's just terrifying.
It's terrifying. If you hit us, it may kill one of us. Good luck. Throttle down. We want to see action.
Okay.
Whoa! Yeah!
Oh my God, it's so scary.
All right.
I need some water.
I'll take that from you. Are you okay?
Yes.
I think you're having a breakdown.
No, that is terrifying. Holy crap, that is an intense
You
engine.
drove it before though, but not with the
Oh
80cc.
my god, that is a different machine. That's
That is
not
a
the same
different machine. Yeah.
Holy cow.
What did you just say?
I said, the back of my tongue feels weird. Like
Yes,
in
that's
the,
adrenaline.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's adrenaline. So I'm not going to be able to find out how many Bushnells it goes because it is way too fast to be pointing a radar gun at it, but I will use an app on my iPhone. Strapping this to the top of my RAMINATOR will make this about $9,500 for you guys instead of my $132 Bushnell gun. It says maximum speed in kilometers per hour because I'm Canadian, eh?
He's just gonna gorilla tape his iPhone to a terrifying machine.
That's the way. As long as I don't roll it over, it should be fine. Dang kill switch. Let's go on top of the mound. Go right here, my love.
Okay.
That's like as far away as I can get it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Easing into the throttle. Half throttle. Full throttle. I couldn't get there. Oh. I couldn't get there. I couldn't get to full throttle. I could not get to full throttle. It just,
no más?
as soon as it starts to bounce over one of those holes over there, it becomes very challenging to control because of the power band on it. Okay, here we go. It's just floating. Dude, I can only go half throttle. I don't know what to tell you. I need more room, but I'm not sticking my iPhone on it.
But what does it report now?
59 kilometers at half throttle.
In my yard? It was going almost 60 kilometers in our yard?
60 kilometers an hour is 40 miles per hour, or yeah, about that.
In our yard?
Yeah, 45.
That's crazy fast.
Yeah, but all I could do is get to half throttle. I couldn't even, I need like a long straightaway.
Like a runway.
But like the power, it just starts to twist and torque, so to keep it straight is incredibly challenging. Let's lean it out and see if we can get a little more power out of it. I leaned out the high-end needle 1/16 of a turn. Yeah, far away as I can go. You ready? Good luck. 3, 2, 1. Full throttle right now. Oh, it just wants to go towards the tree. Oh, yeah! Oh, monster save! Ah, there it is! Yeah! I just spit on my wife! Sorry, I didn't mean to spit all over you. I'm very excited.
It's okay, I give you consent.
Woo! Those
That is
back
fast.
shocks, I think one of them blew apart.
Oh my gosh, that is fast. Makes my stomach turn.
Oh yeah, something's up. Oh, did you hear that?
Yeah, I did. Boom.
Oh, did you hear that?
Yeah, I did. Boom.
Look at the back shock shaft.
Oh. Well.
With dual shocks, I bent both shock shafts. Dude, that's what you get for putting on a show. I busted my cage. I busted my shocks.
This machine is terrifying.
Amazing, absolute amazing jumps, rollovers, broken parts, screaming
tired.
audience,
Exhausted now.
earplugs.
What? Oh.
Oh my God,
Oh my
I'm
God.
yelling. We're totally yelling. Sorry guys, we're yelling. That was insanity. I'm going to call it quits right there. Did you hear that pop?
Oh my god.
I wonder where that came from. We'll have to check it out.
Yeah,
But
that's
guys,
scary.
hopefully you enjoyed it. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think.
That's a workout.
Yeah,
I feel out of breath.
I'm gonna have to.
I just want y'all to know how far we are away.
I'm always the farthest away from the shop. It's so hot out today.
We're so far away.
I was gonna end it there. Should we end it there? That's not true. That's not true monster
not
truck.
broken, like dead.
It's not true monster truck fashion until you break it completely, right?
Until you have to roll it back, and now we can put ourselves a little closer.
Can I put you in charge of doing the slow motion jump? The big one for these guys?
Not going anywhere?
It's not going anywhere. That's not good.
And now we're farther away from it.
I gotta walk all the way back. I thought I was gonna do a final huge jump for you guys, and I went to run it around. And are you filming me?
Yeah.
Filming you, filming? Paradox. It's gonna start something weird here. Not sure what's gonna happen. I'll have to investigate a little more. I wonder if I broke the chain. I wonder if I broke the transmission. Something came loose. We're gonna find out.